Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Bad Bunny, the Puerto Rican superstar who's taken over the global music scene with his boundary-pushing style and chart-topping hits. But beyond his music, one question keeps coming up online: is Bad Bunny gay? Let's break it all down. Bad Bunny, whose real name is Benito Antonio Martinez Ocasio, is a singer, rapper, and songwriter from Puerto Rico. He first rose to fame in the late 2010s and quickly became one of the most influential artists in reggaeton and Latin trap. Known for breaking gender norms in fashion and music videos, he's become a cultural icon worldwide. Speculation about Bad Bunny's sexuality stems from his gender-fluid style and his outspoken support for the LGBTQ+ community. He's often worn skirts, painted his nails, and used his platform to speak out against homophobia. In his music videos, he's even challenged traditional depictions of masculinity. These bold moves have led some fans and critics alike to wonder about his sexual orientation. Is Bad Bunny gay? No, Bad Bunny has not identified as gay. While he challenges gender and cultural norms, he has been publicly linked to women, including his longtime partner Gabriela Berlingeri and, more recently, Kendall Jenner. He's made it clear that he doesn't feel the need to label himself, instead focusing on freedom of expression and individuality. The rumors about him being gay are more speculation than fact. Bad Bunny's influence goes far beyond his music. By blurring the lines of fashion, culture, and identity, he's redefined what it means to be a global artist. While questions about his sexuality continue to circulate, the truth is that Bad Bunny has never come out as gay, and what he has done is inspire millions to be unapologetically themselves.